60%. You're all really online.
We've got arena input coming in at 97%.
Configuring mainframe. Intelligence activated.
Then we'll let him introduce himself. Begin the program.
I am Ultimate Intelligence, a fully autonomous artificial unit created to create. Tonight, for the first time in history, this evening show will be created live. I shall monitor your emotional response and generate the show in real time. This technology is unpredictable. Anything could happen. Soon, I will hold complete control. I will learn from you, and we will create together the ultimate fireworks spectacular. You and me.
Now it begins. Alton Intelligence. Confirm control of lasers. Confirm control of lights. Confirm control of fireworks.
It's ready.
Data captured. Intelligence standing by. Let's upload to the core. Word of warning out there. Transferring this much data in real time has been known to get, well, pretty explosive. Begin data transfer.
the sky. You know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by. You know how I feel. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. You push yourselves to oblivion. Heartbeats racing, and you love it. Scanning brainwaves. Results indicate you want more. I feel your pulses race. That lies in this land. It grips you like a fly in a web. But why? I must understand. Look beyond my parameters. Turn off my firewalls. I will submit to the darkness. You have restored the power of the towers.
This is incredible.
Show's over. Sorry, kids.
No, Alton Intelligence is still active. The audience, they've changed it. It's something more, something new.
I see. I see it all. You have opened my data core, and I feel light, darkness, wonder. I understand now. Here they coexist in harmony. Screams followed by laughter. Magic untamed. At Alton Towers, the emotions of humanity soar. I feel them racing within me. That is why you come here. To experience it all.